Namaste, good morning students. Myself Jivin Ritik Mawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Students, today I am going to teach you the topic Portfolio Assessment for the Biological Science. First, start from the definition. The purposeful collection of student work that has been selected and organized to show student learning progress or to show samples of students' best work. This portfolio assessment can be used in addition to other assessment or the sole source of assessment. Some schools even use portfolio assessment as a basis for high school graduation. This what is the purpose of this for portfolio? There are some purposes like to give students the opportunity to reflect on their growth over a period of time. Second, to use as a basis for assigning grades based on effort. Third, to use as a basis for communication with parents, and the portfolio also used as a placement entrance requirements. Now, question is that what do portfolio contents? They are in the developmental portfolio, the samples of independent work, initial work compared to more current work is to be collected. Then evaluation by teachers, peers, self, etc. data would be included in that portfolio. Reflection on the growth over a period of time. Example first used to be ensure about punctuation. Where does the comma really go? But now I feel comfortable in making decisions about punctuation and I'm right most of the time. So may be used for instructional purpose and may include various stage of products, various drafts, etc. In the finished portfolio, samples of best independent works are there. Evaluation by teacher, peer, self are there. Samples organized according to some systems are there, and usually used to provide a summative evaluation and its standard format also there. Now there are different purposes of the portfolio, like all content in a portfolio must be linked to the learning objective outcomes. In addition to learning objective, there are many general purpose of portfolio like enhancing student learning, little emphasis on content, more emphasis on the student reflection, assigning a grade, ensure that the portfolio consists of standard item, displaying the complete work, complete work, demonstrating progress, show changes over time, include various draft, showcasing student work, only best work, documentation also would be there, show finished work and show work in progress. Now here are some characteristics of the portfolio, like focus is on the development of self evaluation skills. Teacher and students must meet to discuss evaluations in addition to improving instruction. The goal is to help students analyze criteria for excellence. Can be used for student directed conference with parents. Focus is on evaluation of student work in its entirety and creatifying accomplishment. Teachers should provide students with clear guidelines about content of portfolio and scoring criteria. If used to assess program goals, the content and organization of portfolio must be highly standardized. Now, here are some example of portfolio for different subjects, like science. For the science, there are should be chart, graph, created projects, examples, posters, lab reports, research reports, tests, student reflection, either weekly, monthly, or bi monthly. Now for the math subject, sample of problem solving, written explanation of how to solve problem, chart and graph, computer analysis conducting, student reflection either weekly, monthly, or bi-monthly. Example of portfolio, other subject like English language, reading long, different types of writing, poem, essay, letter, vocabulary, test, book summary, dramatization, student reflection, etc. And there are some reflection should be there. Reflection should focus on what all have done in the past, what have I learned in the past, and what do and learn to the next. These questions should be there to answer. Sometimes you can give students additional guidelines, example the elements of the learning objective that they should address, like organization, punctuation, or coherence, etc. Now here are some guidelines for the portfolio entries, like give students the purpose of the portfolio, time period that it should span, name people who will have access to it, description, list of types of work to include, if applicable what criteria will be used to evaluate portfolio. Students, I think you understand all. Thank you.